Today we're taking a look at a 100x pre-sale gem that is AI related. You add AI, you add crypto, you get something magical. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan. Today we're taking a look at what's going on with this pre-sale gem and why you may want to grab a bag now. A lot of exciting things happening in the crypto space. Looks like we're re-entering the bull market, so a ton of cool things we're gonna cover here. First, before we start the video, I want to ask if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below to reach your 2024 crypto goals. And like always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the projects we cover on this channel. Let's go ahead and take a look at this new coin. So Wiener AI, part dog, part AI, part sausage. So it's a three-part creature. Looks like he has his Meta Quest or VR headset on. The next pre-sale increase in 1 day and 13 hours. So it looks like they're raising the pre-sale price. They've only raised $300,000 or $350,000 so far. And here's the thing, guys. We cover pre-sale gems a lot on this channel, and we typically see pre-sales end anywhere between 10 to 15 to upwards of $20 million just in the pre-sale alone. So getting it now into super low, basically first seed round, is your opportunity to get a bag. So again, not financial advice, but you may want to load up a bag. I'm gonna link in the description below if you want to grab a bag. So your purchase price, the ticker symbol is WAI, and you can buy an ETH, USDT, or card. It's very simple. Total WA staked is about 530 million. Percentage of WAI staked is 73%. Rewards are 1,900%, which is absolutely insane. Total rewards of WAI is 460 million. Absolutely insane. So part dog, part AI, part sausage. It's been featured in a ton of different articles and websites and blogs as well. What is Wiener AI? Wiener AI is the first Wiener dog artificial intelligence ever created and the universe's most powerful cybernetic being. This Wiener is gunning for the top dog on the charts. First, he'll have to grow his legion of allies. To do that, Wiener offers huge staking rewards every day during the pre-sale. His fans grow by thousands. His sausage army is almost ready to march. Will you join the quest? And you can buy Wiener AI now. Super cool. So Sasha was born, the Wiener AI origin story. New Silicon Valley, year 2132. A mad scientist known as the architect worked into the nights of his masterpiece, a highly advanced cybernetic canine AI. Among the hum of advanced computers, the architect is able to destroy the divide between AI and pup. His creation will become the greatest artificial intelligence ever created. Unfortunately, the architect was eating a sausage when slicing the synthetic DNA, and a bit of it, okay, maybe a lot, of the hot dog DNA was incorporated into the precious mixture. This oopsie had some unintended consequences. Wiener AI may look a little unorthodox, but have no fear. He is indeed the most powerful AI in the universe. Strength is length, and we can see it's a long Wiener dog. We see the Wiener is here, it's here, it's here, and then it is tush ends at the top over here. So Wiener AI, the AI powered sausage dog, Wiener is upgraded to ensure he remains on the top of the crypto world. His memory can be increased, his knowledge is refined, and his ability to look hilarious is infinite. Wiener AI is a force to be reckoned with, and with your help, he'll dominate the AI crypto space. We see a bit of the tokenomics here: 30% to pre-sale, 20% to staking, 20% to community rewards, 10% to DEX and centralized exchange listing liquidities, and then 20% to marketing. And then they have a solid 3-step plan here, and obviously the final step being token listings. The long wait is over. Wiener AI launch on global exchange platforms. This is a public WAI launch. And then a how to buy tab of the website and an FAQ tab, pretty standard. Now, again, there's a lot of cool things here. Obviously, it's a meme coin, right? This story did not actually take place in 2132 because that year just quite frankly hasn't come yet. But the whole thing is they're playing on this creative narrative of creating this AI dog mixed with Wiener, mixed with an actual dog, put it all together, and you get this beautiful meme. And again, they raised already $350,000, and we can see they're also growing rapidly fast on Twitter as well, with over 4,200 followers. AI is a groundbreaking token that merges the world's artificial intelligence and obvious appeal of sausages. You can see they posted on April 24th how our sausage squad is unstoppable with $300,000 raise. You're not going to want to miss out on this pre-sale gem. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and link this project below if you want to grab a bag, load up. Like always, not financial advice, but we've had seen these pre-sale projects go from very small $400,000 raise to upwards of $10-15 million raise. So you may not want to miss out on this one, but again, like always, not financial advice. That pretty much wraps up the video. If you enjoy watching, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button down below and like the video. And until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.